When it comes to cleaning technology, staying ahead of the competition requires constant innovation. At Nilfisk, we've been listening, learning, and innovating for over 100 years. And that's why our product development is driven by our customers' needs, enabling us to create innovative technology that benefits their businesses. This innovation can be seen across our full range of vacuum cleaners. The InfiniClean system we introduced to our Atix range is a best-in-class technology that automatically cleans the filter so you can keep your mind on the job and stay productive. Our range of pressure washers can accommodate all sizes of cleaning task. The EcoPower boiler has a certified market-leading efficiency of 92%, delivering effective hot water cleaning while using much less power. In Floorcare, we lead the market with an extensive range featuring small upright scrubbers to large industrial machines. Our largest machines feature our EcoFlex technology that adjusts the performance to the cleaning level required, reducing the consumption of water and detergent. And with our extensive after-sales service, you have access to the expertise of over 700 trained service technicians who handle maintenance and repair, maximizing uptime for our customers worldwide. And as we enter into the next era of professional cleaning, Nilfisk remains committed to delivering the most innovative products in the industry.